Hey everybody, Snapchat here from Havoc. Let's do a little unboxing. Yeah, and they got a little foam here. Whoa.
Whoa.
Oh, what's this? I don't care.
A manual.
What's this? Emmanuel? Make sure switch pins are straight before inserting, and I'm not gonna. Oh, look, it comes with adhesive things for whatever reason. Cool.
Yeah.
Whoa, look, a braided cable. You see that? Whoa.
Pretty nice.
Wowee.
I hope that's long enough to reach.
Come
What the
with
hell?
cables these days.
Look, it's an adapter. Ah! Ah! It's an adapter.
Oh
That's just a free adapter right there.
Hell yeah.
What is that? USB-C to just regular USB?
Yeah. Oh, baby. Oh, that's heavy. That's got some weight to that. Oh, baby. Why'd my phone vibrate? You shit your
What was
pants?
that?
That one sounded fake. Was that real?
Yeah, that was real.
Alright. Baby Logan shitting his pants, everybody. You heard him.
I just shit out my ass.
There was doo-doo feces thrown all over the walls, the floor, the ceiling, and it stunk so bad.
Oh, you see that?
Yeah.
That's your back.
Can literally
God damn.
devolves to fart humor without a computer.
And then you see that? Look at the switches. It's
Yeah.
the switch right there. On and off or whatever.
No.
Oh, that's
wow,
Windows to
Windows
Mac. Windows to Mac. Look, a quick start guide. See that?
Mm-hmm.
Do you have the switches already, baby Sabby?
But then look. Tools. Whoa.
Yeah, but do you have the switches?
They got a little Allen wrench. They got the keycap puller. They got the little baby screwdriver. And they got the...
Yeah, but do you have the switches?
He has you like hyper muted or something.
Look at that. I'm going to swap it with these switches. You see that? Shut up. Yeah, see, baby Lola? The rock silent linear daybreak. And the spring is 67 grams.
The space bar sounds a little weird.
I like the space bar. These are Durock silent linear daybreak switches that I just put in, 67G, and let's start going. Sap from the future here. This video, when I recorded it, I did not swap all the keys to the Durock Daybreaks, but now pretty much 90% of them are swapped. I left the numpad and the F1 to 12 keys and like the home delete and whatnot, but every other like key on the left side and arrow keys are swapped. The green is the Durock in this image, and the white is the one that came with the keyboard, which is the Keychron G Pro Blue switches. Yeah, thanks for watching.